shit. It fucking flew.
Arky and Eugene are just fucking them up, bro.
Really rough.
Has anyone even ate yet?
Nope. I had 2 hot dogs a couple hours ago. Cheers, man. Okay, we'll put it down for a second because you gotta think we've only been on the train for like 3 minutes and we've almost already killed the model.
Whoa. Fucking round 3, yes, sure. Oh.
Am I finishing it?
Finish it.
Stronger man than me.
Holy shit! It's Mr. Beast!
Dude, what are you doing? It's not Mr. Beast, bro. That was the guy that cashed me out.
Yes, he looks like Jimmy.
Yeah, he looks straight at you guys.
I know,
He looks so pissed off.
Beast!
Bro, you guys yelled at me, he looked at me. And
I know, he looked at us too. Evan?
Yo, can I put this in the side of your bag?
Yeah, go for it.
Thanks, baby.
You can't be a puss.
I
be a pussy, bitch.
Oh, yeah, okay, thank you.
Evan's gonna start her off.
I got 2 drinks in my hand, motherfucker.
Yeah, you
doing
gotta
that.
keep it for later. Just find a little
I'll do that later. Not right now.
I need to throw these in your bag then.
Bro, this isn't a backpack. Yeah, bro.
This is a backpack.
No, it's not. It's a camera bag. Oh, do not. What the fuck are you doing? You dumb Jew.
The vodka will still in.
Ryan, you fucking dumb.
Do the vodka.
Oh my god, there's so many words I want to call you right now, but I can't say it or else I get canceled.
And it's on your back.
Oh shit.
Cheers, boys. Cheers, cheers.
Insane, bro. Where are we? Hudson, where are we right now, do you know?
Absolutely the fuck not.
Oh my god, they have Squid Games, bro.
Yeah.
They have the Squid Games cookies. Oh shit.
Are you sure they're not hosting the FIFA World Cup then?
No,
nigga.
That looks like the most hype thing.
Damn. Y'all are not having it today.
Bro.
Diamond shine might lose your vision. Better close your eyes. Yo, circle smoke, I get too close. It just be me and the guys. Keeps on telling me she's for me. I don't believe them lies. Too much ties. Man know me, I get busy. I ain't had time to slide. 50k, got that in the bag. Got that on the way. Bro just itching. It just slid back round like I clicked.
Don't step on that shit.
Oh, that was light work.
Evan, you ready?
Go further, go further.
No, fuck it, don't go further.
I want this.
Why'd you shoot the other way though?
He is one of those you shoot.
Throw it.
Because now we know which way it shoots.
Now we know we can hold it.
Oh! You're doing it. Holy fuck.
This guy's sending bro, that's not even funny.
Guys, we're not shooting them back this way.
Yes, we are.
Bro, what happened? Everyone just turned pussy all of a sudden, bro. Dude, we were doing this 2 years ago. No one complained. What happened?
No, buddy.
War, bro.
We're not doing that this year.
This shit's
Oh,
war.
we all just got more
Shit's
mature,
war.
didn't we?
Last year, you guys hit the box and it caught on fire. We're not doing that again.
No, it didn't.
That's good. Tell me that's not good.
Alright, just light it. Let's find out.
I don't know.
Hey!
Imagine these fuckers. We should save them for a sec.
The cyclone.
Spider-Man.
I say we do a big one right now. Let's show these fuckers that we got some heat.
Raptor?
Yeah. Let's do something
Raptor right
crazy.
now?
So these fuckers are going. See now, look, they want to show. Hit that shit, Ferg.
Doesn't say to bury.
Yeah, I bet you can hold it. It doesn't look that bad.
Okay, who wants to hold this one?
I'll do it.
It doesn't say to bury it.
It says do not hold in hand.
Yeah.
They all say that.
Are you sure this one's
That does. It says do not hold it in.
pick it up? I mean, you can always stick it in between.
Yo!
Yo, Evan!
It went out.
Fuck it up.
Bro, how'd it go out?
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Dude, that wick is so tiny now. Where'd you go, Kill? I know, I scared him away. Sorry, bro. Oh, shit. Ow.
Bro, I got a dud, bro.
I know, same.
Hey.
Hey. Oh shit, man.
Smoke blowing back in me.
I know.
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, we're the one of the big ones.
Dude, you're so white on camera.
White ass, dude.
Oh shit! It fucking fell! Oh shit! Bro!
Y'all straight, bro?
Yo! What the fuck?
Bro, it fell over.
Holy shit!
Yo, I was like, what the fuck happened?
Holy fuck!
It happens once every time.
Don't bury it. Fuck it.
That shit, bro.
Fuck that shit. This one did fall over. Fuck.
This shit sprayed at me.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, guys. It's the time of the night.
Hey.
If you bury that shit, you're
Bitch.
Yeah,
We're
dude.
burying it.
Cool guys don't look at explosions.
Dude, it's literally like raining fireworks.
Bro, I feel that shit on my head top. There's still more. Let's go, bro. Doggos.
Oh my god. Dude, this is
Everyone get the fuck out of this thing.
Yeah, hurry up. Do it quick. Do it quick. Do it quick. Is that it? Where the fuck did it hit?
Yeah, I think it hit that top and then just bounced.
That was lame.
Is that right there? That's it?
Yeah, I think it just hit right there. You can see it.
Do it with like this big one.
I feel like that's gotta work. Come on, shoot up. Physics. Oh! Yo!
Tell her some tales that I've been riding. Moment I met the hoe, I wish I died it. Take her to shop, I'ma put in my title. Fuck with heavy, I take her to bridal. Be so hard, I feel like she ride it. Kick it, bitch, out and she bite it. That bitch, she just wanna fight.